Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will learn how to select all tabs in Google Chrome. This is very easy. So let's start. First, open Google Chrome. Now tap on here. See here, I have lot of tabs. I also open some new tab. See here, now I have many tabs. Now we select all tabs at once. For this, tap on here. Now tap on select tabs. Now you can select all tabs by individual tapping, but we select all with single tapping. For this, tap on here. Now tap on select all. See here, all those tabs are now selected. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you enjoyed this, please like this video and also as well as subscribe our channel for more tech video like this. Thank you.